Hi and welcome to Backyard Growing Essay. In today's video I'll be showing 14 vegetables you can start in May, and there's a few that is the last you can sow now before winter. Let's get to it. When planting carrots, they do not want to be very deep, so a half a centimeter to a centimeter deep. Carrots usually take 14 to 21 days to germinate, so you will have to have but patience, but sometimes it takes up to 10 days and then it could germinate as well. You also want to keep your soil constantly moist while the carrots are germinating, and if the soil does dry out, it will affect the germination rate of your seeds, and then you are going to try to make the soil again moist after that, and then some of that seeds won't germinate. Not all the seeds are going to die, some still might germinate, but you're going to have a lower rate of your seeds germinating, so try your best to keep them moist until the 14 to 21 days. And how to keep your soil moist: you don't have to water every day. You can water once or twice the soil. You can cover it with cardboard, and when you do cover it with cardboard, make sure you don't press the cardboard down onto the soil, so that the seeds, when they do germinate, they do have space to come up. You can also use a piece of plank to just cover the row where you are planting it, or you can take a piece of cloth and cover the soil, but don't take a cloth where the sun is going to come through and dry the soil up. So maybe something like this, you just cover it up. But what worked the best for me is wood shavings. The other things I tried, I did get nice germination rate, but for me wood shavings is the best, because I did not water this. Even just before I planted the seeds, I didn't water this. It's the rain what made it moist, and I just left it, covered it up with this, and it's always moist. It never dries out also. Even on the hottest days, the mulch keeps the soil moist. And now next, once your seeds germinate, you have your seedlings. It's time to thin them out. For me, this is the hardest part, because I always want my plants just to grow, and I don't like doing the thinning out part, because I feel like I'm killing the plants, which I am doing. But if you want the best of your vegetables to grow, and you want them to grow as big as they can and have the best vegetables, you're gonna have to thin them out. So you always look for the best seedling you have, and the others around it you just have to take out or cut. So example, this tree here, so this one looks like the best one because it's the thickest. There are two over here have to come out. There they out. I could replant this, but carrots doesn't do the best with replanting, so I'm just gonna give this to the budgies or to the quails. And then in 70 to 90 days, your carrots should be ready to harvest. Celery like to be buried a half a centimeter deep, or you can just sprinkle the seeds on top of the soil and then water it down. But if it's very windy in your area, you can cover it up, or you just put the seeds down, water them, and put your mulch over it. And the seeds will take 14 to 21 days to germinate, and you do want to keep the soil moist all the time through their whole lifespan, not just when you are germinating them, but once they are fully grown. You still want to keep the soil moist while they are growing. And if you want to harvest the full celery, it will take up to 120 to 140 days. But if you are growing them just for the leaves, like this ones I'm growing is for the leaves, this is soup celery, so it will take about 60 to 90 days for the leaves to form. Then you can just harvest the outer leaves and leave the center leaves for it to continuously grow. Radish is a fast growing crop. It likes to be buried 1 centimeter deep, and it will take 3 to 7 days to germinate, and they will be ready to harvest in 30 to 40 days. And also, when the leaves are younger, you can eat them. And radish do prefer cooler weather, so when you are growing them, try to grow them in more of a shady area than more of a sunny area. And the radish I'm growing over here is called the white icicles. So when planting peas, they like to be buried 3 to 5 centimeters down. Peas will take 7 to 14 days to germinate, and they will be ready to harvest in about 8 to 12 weeks from the day they germinate. and make sure you have something for them to climb up on, a stick or a trellis. Or like me, if you have your old corn growing still, you can leave the corn in and just wrap them around there. So don't forget, once your plant is established and it's growing pods, you want to regularly pick them so that they can encourage for more pods to grow. So onions like to be buried 1 centimeter to 2 centimeters deep. They want to be planted in well drained soil. So this is my second batch of onions that I'm starting, because May is the last month you can start your onions, because in the month of May there is still going to be hot days, but next month when winter starts there won't be so much hot days as there will be in May. Onions will take 7 to 14 days to germinate, and this is a month old, and they will be ready to be transplanted once they're about a pencil size thickness, and then they will all get their own homes. And the onions I'm growing are red onions. They will be ready to harvest in 4 to 6 months, and this is a little under that, but let's pull out one and see how it looks. So this onion was connected now to that one there. So let's take that one out as well and see how it look. And yeah, there's the onions, and I guess this one came out with it. So there's 3 onions. So turnips like to be buried a centimeter to a centimeter and a half deep. They will take 5 to 10 days to germinate. And with turnips you want to space them 10 centimeters apart from each other so you can have nice bulbs, and they'll be ready to harvest in 6 to 8 weeks. With turnips you want to directly sow them in the ground and not in trays. You can eat the leaves and the roots, and you want to keep the soil constantly moist while they are in their growing stages. And you want to grow them in loose soil with no stones or sticks really in there, so that the roots can form nicely. Kale likes to be buried 1 centimeter deep. So I'm going to be planting a few in here now, because some didn't germinate of those ones. Kale will take 5 to 10 days to germinate. So you want to keep the soil moist. They can grow in full sun or in partial shade. In about 25 to 30 days you can harvest baby leaves. And for the full leaves it's going to take 50 to 70 days. And what you're going to do is you're going to harvest the outer leaves, leave the center leaves, and they will continuously grow. So lettuce is a cool loving crop, and they would like to be buried a half a centimeter deep, or you can just drop them on the soil. I'm just going to put 1 or 2 seeds in each of the spots. If you are planting them outdoors, then you can cover them up. But if you're planting them in a greenhouse or in an area where you know there isn't any wind, then you can just put them on the soil and just water them down. And the lettuce will take 3 to 7 days to germinate. And you want to keep the soil moist and try to avoid extreme heat. So try to keep them in the shady area in your garden. That will do the best for them. And you can harvest baby leaves in 25 to 30 days. And if you want to harvest the full head, it will take 45 to 60 days. Or you can do the cut and come again method by cutting the outer leaves and leaving the center one to continuously grow. Beetroot like to be buried 2 to 3 centimeters deep, and you want to soak the seeds overnight or for 24 hours. And in each pod there is about 2 to 4 seeds. So that's why when they germinate you always see about 2 to 4 plants coming out. They will take 5 to 10 days to germinate. So you want to thin out the seedlings while they are busy growing, so that you can give space for the other beetroot to grow their roots. If you like to harvest baby roots, it will take 40 to 50 days. And if you want to harvest the full beetroot, it will take 60 to 80 days. Swiss chard likes to be buried 1 to 2 centimeters deep. They're also known as spinach. They will take 7 to 14 days to germinate. They'll be ready to harvest in 6 to 8 weeks. For continuous harvest, you can harvest the outside leaves, leave the middle leaves, the smaller ones, and they will continuously grow, and then you just keep on that cycle. And they are very tolerant to both mild heat and the cold, and they produce leaves for a quite long time. So cauliflower loves the cooler weather. They like to be buried 1 centimeter deep. They'll normally take 5 to 12 days to germinate. If you are growing them in trays, you want to transplant them once they have 2 to 4 true leaves and the stalk at the bottom is more sturdy. They will be ready to harvest in 90 to 120 days. And you want to harvest them before it starts opening or before the head starts turning yellow. Cabbage seeds you want to sow 1 centimeter deep. You can start them in trays or directly in your garden. They usually take 5 to 10 days to germinate. So once seedlings are strong, when they have their 2 to 4 leaves and you are growing them in trays, you can transplant them. And you want to space them well out from each other if you want bigger heads. And water them regularly so you can keep the pest away. And cabbage is ready to harvest in about 80 to 120 days. When the head feels firm, when you squeeze it. Broccoli seeds you want to start in trays. They like to be buried 1 centimeter deep. They will take 7 to 10 days to germinate. And you want to transplant them once they have 2 to 4 true leaves. And you can space them out 30 to 45 centimeters apart from each other if you want to have bigger heads. And that's if you're growing them in ground. And if you're growing in containers, like I have a container here, this is a 10-liter container, so I'll put 1 in a container. But if you don't have the space, 2 will be fine, but it's going to be a little smaller. They will be ready to harvest in 10 to 14 weeks. Broccoli is heavy feeders, so you want to add plenty of compost or organic fertilizer. And once you harvest the main head, you can leave the plant in because it will grow extra shoots on the sides. Leeks does well in autumn and winter. You can directly sow them or start them in trays. The seeds like to be buried 1 centimeter deep. They will be ready to germinate in about 7 to 14 days. If you are growing them in trays, you want to transplant them once the plant is as thick as a pencil. With leeks, you want to keep the soil constantly moist in a growing stage. And this is the last you can plant your leeks before winter. I'd like to say thank you for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, you can become a member or send super thanks. You can also like this video, comment down below, subscribe and share the video. And also you can check out my series, a weekly update. I post every Wednesday. So thank you for watching. Backyard out.